In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're reviewing a team project or simply want to leave notes to yourself, these tools can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Having this program ready helps set the stage for you to open and work on your PDF document seamlessly. Now, once Acrobat is open, the next thing you'll need to do is open the PDF that you want to annotate. You can easily do this by navigating to File and selecting Open, or simply dragging and dropping your document into the workspace. Once you have your document in front of you, you're all set to begin annotating. Take a look at the floating toolbar. On that toolbar, you'll find the Add Comment option. Go ahead and click on it. This is where you begin your journey of annotating by adding comments. Commenting is simple. Just click where you'd like to leave your note and type away. This feature is particularly useful for leaving detailed feedback or instructions that relate to specific areas of your document. Now, moving on to text highlighting. Often in review processes, you need to emphasize certain parts of the text. With Adobe Acrobat, you can easily highlight, underline, or strike through text. Select the text you wish to mark, then choose your desired option from the toolbar. This helps make important content stand out or specify areas that need revision or clarification. Next, let's explore the drawing tools. These tools allow you to mark specific areas in a more visual way. You can draw shapes or lines directly onto your PDF, which is particularly handy when you need to circle important points or draw attention to specific details. Another exciting tool available is the stamp feature. By clicking the stamp icon, you can add pre-made stamps to your document. These can range from standard stamps like approved or draft to more customized ones, which can help streamline your documentation process. Once you've finished marking up your document, it's crucial to save your changes. Make sure to click on the File menu and select Save to ensure all your comments and markings are secured. This step is simple yet essential, as it locks in all your hard work and makes it accessible for future viewing or further editing. And there you have it, an overview of using the comment and markup tools in Adobe Acrobat. With these powerful features at your disposal, reviewing and annotating documents can become a much smoother and more efficient process. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.